My name is Vernon Swain III, also known as DJ VERN, and I'm a current student in the music program. Before I came to Ideal, I was an upcoming DJ, well, still am an upcoming DJ. And I thought just coming to the Ideal program, I think it was going to give me a boost in what I needed, to get my foot into the music program and music industry, what I should say. My experience been good. I've been really getting introduced to a lot of people, making a lot of connections, and just basically, covering the whole aspect as the music industry as a whole. The doors that's opening, I can definitely tell you from my starting to now, a lot of doors been opening, a lot of connections have been, connecting. So for anyone outside, I would definitely, get your things in order and definitely come join, because some doors that can be opening for you. I just like playing music to make people feel good and groove and dance, honestly. I want to be in the music industry. Wherever I land is where I land. If it's music, that's where I want to be, honestly. Where do I see myself? I don't know, somewhere, man, with the big dogs, talking that talk. But right now, we just working, and I see it. So right now, I just gotta put the work in, and it's gonna fall through.